I have the base model of the Samsung Galaxy S22 here, and I would like to put this phone through a gauntlet of benchmarks, with today's video focusing on the AnTuTu benchmark app. Now the variant I have is using the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset, which has had a fair share of criticism since launch. Now, when chips like these are so poorly optimized, it leaves a lot of room open for community developers who want to tweak performance using special kernel settings. I suspect we'll be seeing a ton of work done on this chip from these community developers over the years, so I would like to get a baseline of benchmark performance numbers so that we have something to compare them to. In today's video, I'll be running tests from the latest beta of AnTuTu. But if you would like to see a specific benchmark done, then use the comments section below to let me know what you would like to see. So we're just going to open up AnTuTu, let it load, and then we're going to run the baseline of tests. So AnTuTu is currently testing the GPU right now. We're still testing out the GPU performance. to testing the RAM speed. Look at all of these scores at the end of the video, as now AnTuTu is currently testing the CPU. Lastly, AnTuTu is going to give the user experience a run through, such as the data security, data, image, and video processing, and more. So in this test, our Galaxy S22 got a score of 923,664 in AnTuTu. And anybody looking for the individual scores for the CPU benchmark, the GPU benchmark, the RAM speed tests, and lastly, the user experience tests. And that wraps up today's video on benchmarking the Snapdragon variant of the Samsung Galaxy S22. And again, if you would like to see a different benchmark app run on this device, let me know using the comments section below.